Hi, I'm Jenny Tichy. I'm also known as the Lunchbox Doctor, and today I'm going to be cooking a baked frittata. It's one of the recipes from my new recipe book, Sheet Pan Cooking, 101 simple and nutritious meals straight from the oven. Now, a frittata is simply like a sort of baked omelette. Lots of eggs, lots of leftovers. This recipe came about from exactly that. I had a glut of mushrooms and red onions. I always seem to have too many onions. And simply just baked those off and then added in the eggs and baked that into a beautiful frittata dish. So this is our baked frittata, simple dish with our baked mushrooms and red onion, and our eggs seasoned with fresh herbs, in this case thyme.